In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete balance accounts on Wise. Balance accounts. In Wise, balance accounts are essentially virtual accounts that allow you to hold and manage multiple currencies. You can hold balances in different currencies and convert between them at the real exchange rate. To delete or disable any account, simply head into your Wise account. Make sure to enter your passcode on your home page. This is an example of a balance account. You can create as many as you want. But if you wish to delete it, simply head into it. On this page, tap on More. You will see the option of Close Balance. If you go ahead and tap on Close Balance, your account will automatically get disabled. Make sure to close your balance without having no money on it. If you close the account when you still have some balance on it, your money won't be recovered. That's how easy it is to close balance account on your Wise account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.